Hey everyone, this is Aagam Singh Sisodiya and you're watching Disease Media. Today we are going to know about the treatment of UTI, also known as urinary tract infection. That is a general type of infection that can occur with anyone, but if this infection left untreated, then it can cause severe complications and also lead to kidney damage. So let's know how this urinary tract infection occurs, what are the symptoms and how can we treat it. But before going further, I just want to ask a question from you. That is, you know that how a robbery is done? Yes, I'm asking this question because this contains a strong connection with this UTI. So tell me, did you know that how a robbery is done? It's very simple. When a thief go in a house and just stole something and just go away from there. But now the question is that how this thief get inside that house. Absolutely, the thief go inside from the door, from the windows, from the balcony, or from a secret place. As such, there are doors and windows in our body from which the microorganisms, the infectious particle, can enter inside our body and cause infections there. The doors and windows, you already know that our mouth, the nose, the eyes, the ears, and the urinary opening, the urethra and the anus. So in the case of urinary tract infection, the microorganisms, the infectious particles will enter through the urinary tract. The urinary tract consists of urethra, urinary bladder, ureters, and then kidney. So these all the parts are the part of urinary tract. So this is the infection of all these parts. The infection starts from the urethra and then goes through the urinary bladder and then the ureters and then the kidney. So if we left untreated, then the infection can reach up to kidneys and it can damage it. Okay, now let's know that how this infection particles enters inside us. What are the activities that a person perform that leads to this? What are the cause of this UTI? The cause is unhygienic activities. For example, a person is not taking bath from lots of days. A person is wearing dirty clothes. The person is not washing his backside when it goes for a toilet or for a latrine. That is a major cause in most of the cases because there are lots of bacteria which are living inside our intestine, and when we excrete our excreta and don't wash it properly from outside, then this excreta is there on our backside and the bacteria is also there. So they start entering in our urinary tract and start infecting it. That mostly occurs with women because women have a very short distance between the urethra and the urinary bladder because their anatomical structure is just like that. And also UTI can occur due to the high sweaty conditions of your body, that your body producing a high amount of sweat, and due to the sweat the moisture is there and the bacteria start growing in that place. So now the question is how you know that you are suffering from a UTI. The common symptoms of UTI includes the irritation and the burning sensation in urethra during a urine excretion. The urge of urination that urine is going to come, but when you go for a toilet, the urine doesn't come. A very bad odor from the urine. Change in color of urine, that is reddish or pinkish or just cola-like color. So if you experience any of the symptoms, please consult a doctor immediately as far as possible because as the time goes on, the symptoms become worse. The doctor will recommend a urine test from which the infection can be diagnosed. So now you are curious to know about the treatment of this urinary tract infection. So listen it carefully. At the time of urinary tract infection, you just have to drink a large amount of water. You just have to drink a lots of amount of water because due to lots of amount of water, the high amount of urine is produced in your body, and due to the high amount of urine production in your body, you just go for urination many times. So during the urination, the bacteria which are growing in your urinary bladder also start to flush out from your body due to the excess of urine which is passing from your body. So this help in reduction of infection in your urinary tract. And second, you can take cranberry juice, that is effective to prevent the infection to further spread. So now there is an important question, that is it possible to treat urinary tract infection from these home remedies? The answer is no. Why no? Because these home remedies which I am telling, and anybody who is telling you, is just treating the symptoms. They doesn't cure the disease because the UTI infection occurs due to the bacterial infection. So for treating the bacterial infection, you just need antibiotics that a doctor can prescribe you in a better sense, because if you take antibiotics on your own, they can do some side effects and also create antibiotic resistance for that bacteria, and the problem will go on and become more severe. So at the time, if you are facing any of the symptoms of UTI, please consult a doctor. Don't follow these home remedies as a treatment. Just follow them for relieving your symptoms, but don't rely totally on them because they are not going to treat you. The antibiotics are the one which can treat you, and if they are a viral infection, there are antivirus, and if they are fungal infection, then there is fungicides. And finally, I want to say, if you want to prevent the UTI infection to occur with you, you just have to maintain a good hygiene. Wear clean clothes, take daily bath, and wipe your front to back after toilet or after latrine. And if you sweats a lot, then wear loose clothes in place of tight cloths. So that's all about the treatment of UTI. I hope this video helps you in understanding the concept. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video, you are creating awareness about UTI. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.